Who is this? No Christian Bridge, I don't know what. It's a little different though. If you're in Copenhagen and craving weird, wild, and off the map that most tourists miss out on, welcome to Freetown Christiania, where the rules are made by the people, not politicians. Tucked inside Denmark's capital, it's a neighborhood that said, nah, we'll build our own society. That's right, Christiania is a self-governed, car-free, graffiti-covered slice of freedom that has been doing its own thing since 1971. Meet Green George, a giant troll made from recycled trash. He isn't just a sculpture, he's the guardian of Christiania. You can climb him or just chill with him. It's pure magic, art, nature, and eco-activism rolled into one giant troll. It all started when a bunch of hippies, artists, and dreamers took over an abandoned military base. No rent, no police, no permission, just radical freedom. This is Pusher Street, the infamous unregulated cannabis market. Oh, and one rule you better follow. No photos on Pusher Street, seriously. This is where cannabis is sold openly, kind of. But keep your camera down or you'll get the look, and trust me, you don't want the look. But Christiania isn't just weed and rebellions. It's art, nature, community, and doing life completely different. They build homes out of boats, throw wild music festivals, grow their own food, and make big decisions using consensus democracy, which means everyone has to agree. Imagine trying to pick dinner like this. But behind all the color and creativity lies a story of rebellion, resistance, and a lot of controversies. Rewind to 1971, and Copenhagen had a housing crisis. A group of squatters broke into the old military area and said, "We live here now," and Christiania was born. Made their own rules, built their own homes, and ignored the government completely. No taxes, no landlords, no official anything. But then came the weed. Pusher Street blew up. The government freaked out, police raids, protests, sit-ins, it got intense. But the wildest part is, after years of tension and legal battles, Christiania's residents actually bought the land from the Danish government as a collective foundation, like a real-life version of Power to the People. Support Christianity, buy a share here. Oh shit, they got a stock market, nice. Nice. Now, Christianity is still standing, still colorful, and still complicated. Gentrification is creeping in. Tourism is changing the vibe. Some locals are worried Christianity is losing its soul. Others say it's just evolving. But the big question is, what does it mean to be free? Who decides how we live? And can a neighborhood really be its own country? If you get the chance next time you're in Copenhagen, don't just visit the castles and palaces. Go rogue, go rebel, and visit Christiania with caution. Say hey to Green George, breathe in the freedom, and remember you're walking through one of Europe's boldest social experiments. Like, comment, and share if you vibe with a forest troll and a free society. Subscribe for more wild content. Until next time, arrivederci ragazzi. I'll tell you the truth, I think it's cool, but it is kind of scary at the same time.